Hi there. I just want to let all of you franchise owners, business owners, restaurant owners, churches, gyms, manufacturers, laboratories in the great state of Oregon that Unity now has access to some great cash subsidies and incentives to be used for purchasing a Unity control system. Not only will you save money on your gas and electric service using our advanced algorithms and variable fan drive technology, you can get a cash subsidy that could pay for as much as 75% of the cost. Now, why would a government entity give away money for a control system? Because our control systems actually save energy for years and years now and in the future. In an analysis of a McDonald's in the Portland area, the Energy Trust of Oregon calculated that over $9,000 a year could be saved by using Unity controls. Now add that incentive to the calculation and the owner payback changes to less than a year. Contact me and let's talk about what Unity controls can do for you. And if you're not in Oregon, we still save you money and give you the valuable insight into your facility. So give me a call. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.